So here's what you're going to do to run an ad. Sorry it took me a while to get this out to you. So you're going to upload a video directly into Facebook just like this. And then under video, come on baby, we're going to hit edit. And we can add a title to this, right? Make sure you do all that stuff. Take care of all that. Upload your video. Make sure you put your copy in here and the link to your Wufoo form right here. Let me show you what a divorce page should look like. That did say 24,000 people saw that. That's kind of cool. So here's the one that we set up with Adam Stark when he was in town. So we put the divorce decal in the back. This stuff here, he put a few posts from Huffington Post to come out. We haven't put his video in it yet. It wouldn't upload at the house. So just give it a little bit of content like this so that it doesn't just look like a weird page. And he's already got 9 likes. And this one has people commenting on it right here already. So interesting. And so that's what you need to do for your page. And then upload the video just like I showed you on my hardcore closer page to the divorce page. Easy enough, y'all. Right, all right. All right, so from there, we are going to go back to the front, as Metallica would say. We're going to go to the Ads Manager here, and we're going to create an ad. And we're going to do page post engagement because you uploaded a video to the page there. So it doesn't matter. You're going to pick your video post right here. You're going to pick it as your choice. I'm just going to use one of these pictures just to keep it moving forward because it's not relevant for what we're trying to do here. And it shows you right here what it looks like in the desktop. So you read the copy. Everything seems cool. You want to make sure that you have a link there instead of a see more. And there can be see more, but you want to make sure that see more has a link before it. Right? See more butts. Haha. All right. Then this is what it looks like in the mobile feed. Right column, I generally don't give a shit because, I mean, they put it on the right column, but, you know, I don't dig it. Nobody's looking over there. Nobody's clicking over there, so it's a waste of impressions for me. Meanwhile, the news feed, mobile news feed, I don't have to put, like, fancy red stuff around it. I could put a red border around that with diptych like what Adam uses, but I think this will work just fine. So we don't have a custom audience. We're going to pick your area. So right now, I am in Waikiki. I am in Waikiki, Hawaii. So I know that anybody that's going to go through a divorce that has a little bit of money, maybe some kids involved, I'm going to let it go through whatever. It's going to be about 35. So if you're going to run a men-specific ad, cool. If you're going to run a women-specific ad, that's good too. We're going to make sure that they speak English, motherfucker. Do you speak it? Then right here, under more demographics, we've got relationship status. We're going to pick people who are unspecified. We're going to pick people who are in complicated, separated, divorced, and probably people in an open relationship, civil union. Okay. Married. That gives us 2,000 people. So if we, so in this area, just this one little zip code here, one city, and I can actually go up here and I can make the adjustment right here and move it to 50 miles so they get a little bit bigger audience. See, I move it to 50 miles, I got 36,000 people all of a sudden because that covers probably the whole island. And have people that are in, you know, just different phases of being married, because if they're not getting a divorce, they're obviously not going to click on the link, right? But we want to make sure that we get in front of them. Then from there, that's all we need. We're going to go down to the bottom and we're going to name your ad. You're going to hit the dollar amount per day and then how many days you want to run it. So I recommend doing it like this. So you go $25 a day and then you say that you're going to run it for 14 days. That's $350 total. It shows you right there, really simple. And if you want to, all you got to do, and then you just place your order, right? Obviously, I'm not going to order this. $25 a day, $350 is the maximum I could spend on this ad, right? That's nothing. That's not even one house for sale. It's not even one. I mean, that's nothing for you guys, and that's 2 weeks worth of advertisement. But if you're you don't want to do the ad anymore, whatever, just come over here, turn the status on or off. Doesn't matter if it's within the 14 days or not. Doesn't matter. Because if you run it for 5 days and you got a lot of leads and you're busy, just come over here and pause it. And then when you're ready to roll it again, just unpause it. Real simple. So that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you run the divorce ad. Now think of all the other niches. Let's collectively, as a mastermind, think of all the other niches like this that we can put specific offers in front of. Levi at Break Free Academy put an awesome insurance offer in front of a lot of people and got 7 leads by the time he made it back to Louisiana. So I'm pretty sure he'll be joining us soon with the likes of some of the other Break Free people who've come along recently. So aloha, y'all. Have a good rest of the day, weekend, whatever the fuck it is. We're all in different time zones. And I'm going to go surf. Later.